welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in Cambridge, Ontario, and part of Cambridge that's called Hespeler. For people that know Cambridge, it's kind of divided into different names, different parts of the town. But anyways, I'm on the corner of Franklin and Jameson. This is an Esso gas station. They have a car wash. Pretty sure I haven't, excuse me, pretty sure I haven't reviewed this car wash yet. If I have, I'm sure I will be corrected in the comments below, but pretty sure I haven't. There's also a Canadian Tire car wash in town that I have reviewed previously, quite a while back, but I've been told that they put a new system in, so I'll be reviewing that one hopefully in the near future as well, next time I'm in Cambridge. This was a little pricey, I thought. $16, so with tax $18.05. That's with a gas purchase, and it always irritates me a bit when normally when you pump at I always pay at the pumps, and if they've got a car wash, they'll ask you if you want a car wash and which wash would you like and that type of thing. This one, and it's happened to me a few times before, didn't even ask you. So you pay at the pump, and then you got to go in to the store and then buy your car wash separately. But a little bit of an inconvenience. Gets a little irritating, I guess, more than anything. But no big deal. I did it, and like I said, I find it a little pricey. I'm not sure what system they have in here, but we'll check it out. The vehicle is, I think, fairly dirty. I've got. I don't know if a lot of this is even going to show up on my camera and that, but a lot of little bugs and some dirt and stuff like that on. We'll go around and have a look at the outside and see what that looks like. So yeah, definitely dirty along the bottom half of the vehicle, that's for sure. Pardon if there's a lot of wind noise, but if there's a lot of wind noise, just it's breezy today. It's probably catching my microphone. You can see the back window, the back of the vehicle. This side doesn't look as shadow's getting in the way. This side doesn't look quite as bad. There's some bird droppings there, some bugs and dirt and everything on the front bumper. Another little bird dropping there. We'll see if we'll see how it makes out. Well, that's the entrance there. I don't know if I can make that turn in there or not. I think I'm gonna try it. You're supposed to go all the way around the building, but I think I can just cut in here. Let's see if I can get lucky. I didn't made it. Okay. Give you a code. I really have to push hard on that 3. I tried it like 3 times. Ryco Radius HT. Well, they must have a compressor or some motor or something inside this cabinet that's all like bungee corded and roped. Come on, let me start. There we go. Because when the water was spraying there, the underbody spray, that thing was shaking like crazy. That was funny. put on the backup camera. Well, hopefully it's going to do 2 passes here, because this first pass is nothing special. Wow, not putting much on at all, especially when we're down the passenger side there. It's really weak. It's just not much of anything. So hopefully we see a second pass here. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. Yeah, I didn't even have anything come down on the camera. Yeah, look at that box shake. It's like the ropes or whatever that they got is holding that thing together. It's so funny. Ah, there we go. At least the trifoam's got good coverage. Didn't get a section of the window there, but there's a nice smell to it. But yeah, it did a good coating all around. This is doing shine guard, I think is what it says. So I'm guessing that's shine guard and a spot free rinse combined. Yeah, it must be the motor or something in here. That thing was really shaking. Well, I typically really like these dryers, so we'll see how it does. They must not be as strong because that one wheel is touching the glass, and normally the pressure that comes out of it is so good. If you go slow like what I'm doing now, the pressure keeps it kind of hovering above it and it doesn't touch. Oh, I better get moving here. There wasn't much time. 8, 7, 6. Yeah, not much dryer time there. You know what? I'm gonna go over here. I'll park and we'll have a look. This little plaza with a McDonald's. Okay. Let's get out and have a gander here. Oh man, it's never breezy today. Oh wow, look at just me rubbing my finger. You can see the dirt. Yeah, didn't get that off. Oh look! Holy cow! Did it ever leave a lot of dirt on the vehicle? Yeah, look. This is all. Look. Oh man! And it wasn't even really that dirty. You can see it. Still tons of dirt on the car. Left most of the bugs and everything on the front. Got a little bit of the bird drop-ins off, not all of it, but some of it. I mean, the dryers did a decent job, but that was the best part of the whole thing, was the dryers. Yeah, I still got all the streaks and everything on my window from like the bugs and stuff like that, but yeah, that was not worth $18 taxes in, but yeah, not worth it at all. It didn't do a good job. Do a good job. The pre-soak was very weak. The tri-foam had good coverage, and the dryers apparently did a good job, even though I wish there was a little bit more time on it. But the pre-soak was horrible, and the I guess the high pressure, like the water in that, didn't do a good job at getting it off either. So yeah, I can't recommend this one, especially for that price. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Normally I have pretty decent luck with the Ryko Radius systems and that, but this one, it's got to be up there as one of the worst that I've, if not the worst that I've ever reviewed. So like I said, let me know what you think in the comments below, and yeah, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and appreciate the support, everybody, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Hopefully it's the revived Canadian Tire here in Cambridge with their new system. Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye.